With your child out of the stroller seat, unhook the canopy from its posts and unzip it from the frame. Next, open the snaps that attach the seat pad to the frame and pull the seat pad forward to find the shoulder strap adjustments. Then, while pushing the black button, slide the clip out of the slot. Pull the strap through the seat pad and insert. Next, choose another slot to adjust the height of the shoulder strap. Rethread the strap through the corresponding new slot on the seat pad and insert, and then slide the clip into the new slot on the seat. Then repeat this with the other shoulder strap. Now snap the seat pad back onto the frame. Then zip the canopy to the back of the frame and hook the canopy posts back onto the frame. Now you can put your child in the seat and adjust the straps to tighten snugly, such that you can comfortably slide your finger between the strap and your child. Note that the waist straps can only be adjusted by using the buckles. Now you're ready to start strolling.